So in exercise 9.2, question number 16. So what is the question given to you? Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an arithmetic progression, and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1 numbers is given to you, not the terms. So do remember here. So that is nothing but here. So here between 1 and m numbers are inserted. What are the m numbers? To avoid the confusion, clearly let us write that. Let a1, a2, and so on, am are inserted between 1 and 31. So that 1 comma a1 comma a2 comma and so on am comma 31 forms an arithmetic progression. Now here it is, the question is given to you that ratio of the, when it is given to you, now usually d is equals to, this term is becomes 31 becomes n plus m terms are n plus second term, m plus second term. Okay, so a is equals to 1, and common difference is what you don't know. So number of the terms will become the m plus 2 in this total number of the terms. So therefore a m plus 2 is equals to 31. I'm not writing directly d. D is equals to b minus a by 30, n plus 1 also you can use, but how do we do it, that I'm explaining to you. A m plus 2 is equals to 31 you write here. Okay. So now a m plus 2 can be written as a plus m plus 2 minus 1 into d is equals to 31. A value what? 1. 1 plus m plus 1 into d is equals to 31. So d is equals to 31 minus 1 by n plus 1. So d is equals to 30 by n plus 1. So common difference you got it. Now the question is what asking? Ratio of the 7th m minus 1th term, not. It is asking numbers. We are inserted m numbers. M numbers are inserted. So a7 and am minus 1. Ratio is 5 is to 9. So given that a7 by a minus 1 is equals to 5 by 9. 5 is 9. And be careful that a7 is nothing but a plus 6d not you are going to get. Why? Because seventh number become the 8th term in the arithmetic progression. This is 7th number. ये first number है ना, first number है, ये second term होगा arithmetic progression. Is it clear? M minus 1th number will become the, see, this is the second term. A1 becomes the second term. A2 becomes the third term. Okay. A7 becomes the 8th term. One ज़्यादा हो term we will usually represent a small a. That's right. So this is A8 होगा. A8. Isn't it? Is it clear to you? Don't, numbers is given. What numbers we are inserted? Those numbers में 7th number and m minus 1th number. So m minus 1th number becomes nth term. This ratio is equals to 5 by 9. This point you have to. Here it is not given terms. Numbers is given. What numbers we are inserting? And usually the confusion will be here only in this problem. Okay. So now A8 is nothing but a plus 7d by a plus m minus 1 into d. This is equals to 5 by 9. And a value substitute here 1. 1 plus 7 into D. D is equals to 30 by M by A plus M minus 1 into 30 by M plus 1. A value is here 1, which is equals to 5 value. From this, you need to find out the M value. Just linear equation only you are going to get. On simplified, what do you get here? M plus 1 plus 7 into 30, 210 by M plus 1 divided by M plus 1 plus 30M minus 30 divided by M plus 1 is equals to 5 value. So this M plus 1 will get cancelled. Okay. So now what is you are going to get it here? M plus 211, M plus 211, 210 plus 1, and 30, 31, 31M minus 29 is equals to 5 by 9. Just you have to simplify it. Cross multiply करके n value find out करना. That you can do it, but okay. Let us do. 9 into m plus 211, 5 into 31m minus 29. Is there any easiest way to do this problem? Simplification? No. There is other ways not it. So 9m plus 9, 9, 1899 is equals to 5, 115 minus 150, 145. 29 5 9 5 45, 140. Now, yeah, take together at least 145 here. 145 1899 is equals to 155n minus 9n. So, दोनों add कर. And 155 से 9 subtracted. 146m is equals to. दोनों का ऐड कर लिया तो 9 plus 4 2040. M is equals to 2044 divided by 146. Actually, M value you need to find out here. M value what you will get here? Divide कर लो 2044 146 146 146. ये सही है ना? Subtractions, addition 9 14 नहीं 20 सही है ना? 9 plus 5 is 14. तो 1 carrying हो रहा है. So ये 10 plus 4 14 हो जाएगा. 1 carrying again. इधर 1 आ जाएगा. 9 plus 1 10. So 2044 सही है. And the subtraction is also right here. Yes. 146 subtract कर लो. Here you are going to get it 8. Sorry. Yes, 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 58. 584. 150 5 आ जाएगा. नहीं 4 जा. 146 4 you check. 6 4 are 24. 4 4 are 16 plus 1 18. 584 exact. 14. So M is equals to 14. The confusion only in this problem is only at one place. एक place में confusion. What is that? Term. Suppose if the numbers is given to you there, 7th and m minus 1th number is given to you. You see the question properly. 7th and m minus 1th numbers is given. In the place of the numbers, if it is given terms, then directly either A7 लेना है, इधर A M. That is the difference. Yeah. Okay. Next 17th question. These are applications. Very simple here. Not more complicated here. 17th one. A man starts repaying a loan as a first installment of 100 rupees. If he increases the installment by the rupees 5 every month, what will be the amount he will pay in the 30th installment? So from the question itself, here it is clearly saying that it forms an arithmetic progression, whatever the amount he is paying. So first amount he is paying 100 rupees. He is increasing every month by the 105. So sorry, 5 rupees increase kar rahe. So this one. What is the 30th installment is as forms an arithmetic progression. In which, yes, simple question. A is equals to 100 and B is equals to 5. And asking for you to find out A30, not S30. 30th installment is what is asking. And 30th installment, whenever it is asking, A30 you have to. A30 is equals to A plus 29D. So A is what here? 100 plus 29. D is what here? 5. Just you have to do 100 plus 29 paisa 145, which is equals to 245. 245 rupees he will pay. Suppose the question loads a little bit by changing a little bit. What amount he total he paid after 30 months? 30 months के बाद कितना अमाउंट टोटल पे कर लिया? फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट 100, सेकंड इंस्टॉलमेंट 105. Like that, 30th installment is 245. So what is the total amount he paid means S30 you need to find out. So 30 by 2 of first installment 100 and last installment 30th installment 245. N by 2 of A plus LU. If the question is asking to you like that. Okay. Next, 18th question. The difference between the two consecutive interior angles of a polygon. Interior angles of a polygon is 5 degrees. So now here, if you are observing properly, here you need to know the properties of the polygon. Polygon, what is the sum of the interior angles of the polygon? Sum of the interior angles of the exterior angles is 360. Interior angles of the polygon, whenever you are saying, if it is an n-sided polygon, n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Yes, n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Simple here. Triangle, ये याद रखने के लिए triangle में 3 sides होता है. Okay, 3 sides होता है. 3 sides. 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 into 180 degrees. Because quadrilateral if you are taking, any quadrilateral if you are taking, here 4 sides होता है. So when you are having the 4 sides, 2 triangles you are going to get. एक triangle में angle sum is 180 degrees. So 4 sides means 4 minus 2 triangles you are going to get. एक triangle में 180 degrees है ना. If you are taking the pentagon like this, pentagon ले, कितना triangles होता है? Into diagonals if you are dividing like this. ये एक है, ये एक है, ये एक triangle, ये एक triangle. 3 triangles में 3 180 degrees. 3 कैसे आया है? 5 sides से निकालना है. 5 minus 2. Like that, n minus 2 into 180 degrees is the sum of the interior angles of the n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon को n-gon बोलते हैं. Okay? Is it exterior? ये interior angles का. Exterior angles का कभी भी any polygon you take. Exterior angle ये extend कर, इसको extend कर, इसको extend कर, इसको extend कर, इसको extend. So these exterior angles, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, sum is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, just as the situation came, I am explaining to you here. Now the question is asking that the smallest angle is 120 degrees, and every difference between the every angle is given to you. The difference between the two consecutive interior angles of the polygon is 5 degrees. So the smallest angle is 120 degrees. Smallest angle is 120 degrees means next one is 125. Next one is 130. Like that it is increasing. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So that means compulsory you need sum of the interior angles of the polygon, n-sided polygon. So let us consider the polygon is having the n sides. Number of sides is not n sides considered. So given smallest angle 120 degrees, difference between two consecutive angles is 5 degrees. Therefore, the angles are 120, 125 degrees, and so on, which forms an arithmetic progression. Okay, in which A is equals to 120 and D is equals to 5. Let the number of sides of the polygon n. Let number of sides of polygon n. Therefore, sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression is equal to sum of the interior angles of n point. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is equals to sum of the interior angles of, ये सारा angles को add कर लिया तो interior angles sum आ जाएगा ना. Sum of the interior angles of n-gon. N-gon is nothing but n-sided polygon. We can write the polygon लिख रहे हैं ना. So 5 sides means 5 gon भी लिख सकते हैं. Means 5 sides वाला pentagon, hexagon, okay, septagon, like that up to decagon तक आपको है. But more than that, if it is there, 15 sides it is there. So separate name is not there. Just n sides means n-gon लिख सकते हैं. So now what is the sum of the interior angles of the n-sided polygon? Sn. Sn means nothing but n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to sum of the interior angles formula. What I said now, n minus 2 into 180 degrees. From this you need to find out the n. So I'm solving here. Okay, so n a2 udhar leke ja, and a value is what here, 120. 2 into 120 plus n minus 1 into d value is 5 is equals to n minus 2 into 360 degrees. So now here, yes, there is no other alternative. 240 plus 5n minus 5 is equals to 360n minus 720. And here 200 okay, multiply करो 5n square. 240 से 5 subtract करो 235 add plus 235n. ये दोनों टर्म्स को इधर लेकर आओ. minus 360n plus 720 is equals to 0. Quadratic equation, little bit big quadratic equation you are going to get it. So 5n square 235 minus 360. 5 also you can take the common here. Even if you are इधर ही common ले सकते हैं, इतना बड़ा नहीं करने का जरूरत नहीं. इधर से 5 इधर से 5 आएगा. ये 5 ये 320 से cancel कर सकते हैं. Okay, but in any way you can do 360 minus 235 is nothing but 65 125 minus 125 minus 125 plus 720 is equals to 0. From this 5 you take the common. N square minus 25n plus 5 ones of 5 125 4 the 124 here. So which is equals to n square minus 25n plus 124 is equals to 0. 124 को factorize करना. 124. So 262 is 231. 124 सही है. 5 1 5 20 144 आएगा. 124. 5 1 5 22 ना 144 है. So 144. 144. So 144 factorize कर 2 72 are 2 36 are 2 18s 2 9s 3 3s. We need to get the 25 na. Yes, 16 plus 9. अरे 144 we need to remember that 69 का 144 है ना. Factorization भी नहीं. Tables आते तो यही फायदा है. Actually, I did like that, but 144 if it is, you are going to get 18 8s also 140. These all the things you need to remember. Tables का फायदा वही है. If you remember the tables कैसे याद रखना है ऐसा नहीं है. नंबर बोल दिया तो suppose if I say 190 yes 17 7 very good. Like that you need to remember the number बोलते तो किस टेबल में आएगा. वो फायदा किधर आएगा means where do it is useful to you like this. टाइम सेव हो जाएगा. अब 144 बोले तो 69 था 18 8 था 18 and 8 ऐड कर लिया तो 25 नहीं आ रहा. 16 and 9 ऐड कर लिया तो 25 आ रहा. Like that you can add minus 16 and minus 9 and plus 144 is equals to 0. From this n you take the common, n minus 16 minus n minus 16 is equals to 0. n minus 16 n minus 9 is equals to 0. n is equals to 9 comma 16. So in this what can be taken into consideration? Why not 9? Q? Why? Huh? 9? Why it is not satisfying the 9? 9 क्यों satisfy नहीं करेगा? किसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देख लिया? हाँ? इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. दोनों में मतलब इसका आंसर है उसका आंसर क्यों इक्वल नहीं होता? क्यों? Why? Think about it. If it is not equal, okay, equal नहीं बोल रहे. Number of sides are n by 2. Okay, let us check. As he is saying that, let us check. Although it takes a little bit time. 9 number of sides, if n sides are there, n terms हो जाएगा. So n by 2, 9 by 2, 2a, 240 plus n minus 1, 8. 8 into 5, 8 5 is 40. So 9 by 2 into 280. 2 1s are 2, 140. 149 is 49 is 126. 126. So 1260 is the sum of the interior angles of the means ये 9 angles ऐसा ले लिया तो we are going to get it. 9 angles. Okay. Now in this 9 substitute करो. 7 into 180. 18 7 था. 18 7 था. अरे 126. आते हैं क्यों नहीं आते? हाँ आंसर देख लिया. आंसर में किया दिया. अब आंसर देख लिया होगा. आंसर में किया दिया. भाई 16 चेक कर लो. See here, what are these numbers? These two numbers are the roots of this quadratic equation. ये quadratic equation किधर से आया? इधर से या? In case this is number of the sides of the polygon. Okay. If you are taking situation observe करो. If you are taking here 16, if you are taking 9, if you are taking the ninth term क्या होगा? What is the ninth term? Ninth term. Ninth term is nothing but a9, a plus 8t. So A is what here? 120. 8 D. D is 5. So 120 plus 160 degrees. 160 degrees, it is possible. Okay. 160 degrees. 160 degrees तो possible है ना? Suppose 16 if you are taking. If you are taking 16. 16 ले लिया तो A16 क्या होगा? A plus 15. What is this angle? 185 होगा? Okay, I wrote directly as you said here. 120 plus 15 paisa 75, which is equals to 195. 195 angle कैसे होगा? 195 angle कैसे होगा? क्यों नहीं possible है? See, think something in a different way. Always possible नहीं है ना. Here it is given a polygon. It is not given to you. ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना? ये polygon है ना ये? This is which type of the polygon? Polygon में 2 types होता है. थोड़ा ये these all the things you need to recall. Convex and concave. This is concave polygon. Concave polygon. This is concave polygon. So is it? My question now, I am leaving for you this question. Is the sum of the interior angles of the concave polygon also equal to n minus 2 into 180 होगा नहीं होगा? Is my question. If not, then n equal to 16 नहीं है. Yes, that's why you try everything. I gave the idea to you. This is concave polygon. In this concave polygon, if n is ये more than 180 degrees हो सकता है. ये more than 180 degrees है. ये interior, ये interior, ये interior, ये interior. Like this, 16 sides I am not drawing. I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides only. I have drawn. This is 6 sides वाला. Just दिखाने के लिए मैं draw कर लिया. Now whether here how many sides are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles are there. 6 angles का sum 6 minus 2 into 180 होगा or not? If it is okay, 16 is right. 16 also right. If not, 16 is not. Clear है? Because I am not explaining everything to you. Mostly explain कर दिया, but ये थोड़ा सा part आपने ये छोड़ना. You think everything if I am explaining to you, spoon feeding हो जाएगा. That's why I am not doing. If you are getting it out, then I'll clarify to you in the next video.